Good morning, my name's Edward and welcome to my YouTube channel 956 Flips. If you're new to the channel, I go to the thrift stores, garage sales, flea markets, pretty much anywhere I can pick up merchandise to resell on eBay and add to my collection. If that kind of content interests you, hit that subscribe button. Today we're at Goodwill, so let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alrighty guys, like I said, we're at Goodwill. Now my truck battery, remote battery is dead. Anyways, yesterday I made a second trip to Goodwill. I found some Funko Pops. You guys want to check that out? I'll put that video at the bottom, the description, or I'll tag it on the tags up on top. Also, I'll put my eBay store at the bottom so you guys can check it out. Do a lot of charity for St. Jude. Help them out, help me out. We'll appreciate it. I'm gonna do a little bit of recording as soon as we walk in, and then I'm gonna stop. If I find anything, I'll record for you guys. The tags are orange and green. Buenos dias. You can see here is where the rest of these. This is what I left behind yesterday, all these pops. Let's go see if we can find anything. So I just grabbed this thing here. I've been selling these pretty well. It's $3. This goes for about 20 bucks. Let's keep looking. Found this Mr. Potato Head accessories for Halloween for $3. All right, guys, back at home, I spent $18.36. That's not the resale amount. I bought a rack and some shelves. But these are the two things that I picked up to resell. And you can see we were at Goodwill this morning, so let me show you real quick. I've got this, I don't know what they are, but every time I find these, I pick them up and I sell them for about 20-25 bucks. So that's a good pickup for $3, 25 bucks. And then we got this Mr. Potato Head Halloween outfit, and that was $3. And this one sells for about 15 to 20. So that's gonna be it, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you next time.